Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are staying home and staying safe. Today I'm taking part in the Using Trash to Create Treasure challenge hosted by Cassy from Coffee with My Sunshine. I'll be sure to link her channel as well as the playlist in the description box. Check out all the lovely entries and be inspired. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my entry, I have decided to turn this soap box, it came with 4 soaps, into a pretty storage box. I'm going to use this pretty wrapping paper that I've already used in my previous video too. I'll link it also on the down in the description. Check it out. This inside part is white, so I'm going to leave it white, but just for the base, I've taken normal computer paper, traced around the box base and cut it out. I'm going to stick it down. I have taken these 5 beads and I'm going to add 4 of these as the feet and 1 over here and loop it with this grey twine. For the handle part, I've strung this bead through this grey string. I'm going to pierce it and put it through the hole and knot at the back so that it does not move anywhere. To attach the base with Fevicol, I've strung this bead through, and this top part I've attached with sellotape, and I'm going to cover it with this piece of paper so it looks much neater. And that's it. My trash to treasure makeover is ready. You can use this box to store anything that you like. Here I have just displayed some pretty hat clips. And it's closed. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile, Jesus loves you. Please be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you, Cassy, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check the playlist for all the other lovely entries. Bye-bye.